my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.